everybody, check out what I have here from Tyocle. It is a EV portable charger. So this one here is cool because like I have ones that are like the 50 amp ones and things like that, but sometimes I go to a friend's house or whatever and I want to charge my car and they don't have fancy outlets. So this one here is going to give me the ability to charge without such a fancy one. So if you look at it here, we have, comes with this type of plug. I guess that's like a, I don't know, 25 amp or something like that. And then you can connect it up into this and go into just a regular 110 outlet. So we're going to give this thing a try right now. That's down here. And the other end of it is your traditional one of these ones here. So you'll need one of these if you want to have a Tesla, so you just plug it in there. So there. So now I am going to be set for my Tesla. Take off this little plug. I'm sorry, I'm doing this all just on a little bit of a slant here, but you get the idea. Okay. So I'll show you all the other pieces and parts here in a second. Let me just plug this in and get that going. Okay, so here we go. So we have a nice long cord. We have this interesting color of a deal there. This has got a lot of stuff. Okay, there's one side. I just rip this open. Yes. Okay, there we go. I'll plug this in to a outlet. Gotta find an outlet. Is there a regular outlet somewhere? How about that? Yeah, great. So here we go. I'm plugging it into a regular outlet. And there we go. We see it lights up. And now I have a nice long cord here. And it's nice and fairly light stuff because it's not heavy duty for 50 amps, so it's gonna be good. Plug it into my car. And are we charging yet? Let me see what we got. Oh, I heard a click. So there, this is like it. Looks like the Tesla charger. It's kind of same size. And now on my car, we can see we are charging. So we are getting our charge. So nice to have an extra little charger. So totally good. Thumbs up for sure. Okay, the other pieces it comes with is this here. So this is like a wall mount thing. So I can screw this onto the wall and then it'll, when I'm not using it, it'll plug into there. So I can use that. It also has some other little clips and stuff to hold up the wires and whatnot. Let me show you what those are here. So I can screw these onto the wall and it'll hold up the wire to just hold it on the wall so it doesn't drag on the floor or whatever I want. So super cool. I like it. Thumbs up.